Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for opening this video. I'm Claudia, real estate agent in Jamaica. If you want to sell, or buy, or build real estate, hit the subscribe button and remember the notification bell. Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video. Today we're at our favorite place, the hills of Drax. And we're headed back down the hill. Those of you who called me and you said, yes, I want one of these. Your name is on the title about now. Congratulations. St.Ann?
Yeah.
Did they buy an asset or a liability?
Definitely an asset.
Definitely an asset, even though it's not putting any money in their pocket. We're putting silent money in the pocket, right?
Silent money.
Yeah, because I mean the land values here will just go up and up and up.
Because they're the first buyers.
Yes, first movers. And
not only that, it's money they can see.
Yes,
walk on, touch, look at.
Everything. Every senses is in here. See, smell, touch, feel.
You can taste it if
you can taste it too, just like me just get me noni.
Yeah, because some of them have mango trees on it and ackee.
And ackee, exactly. So ladies and gentlemen, if you put your name on one of these titles, congratulations. Big up, enough respect. You can't see where your money going. All right.
You never dash it away.
All right, so lot 8 is for sale. I need a family to step out and buy this one.
It's what, 1 acre?
1 acre, 165,000. Lot 8, you also get a view. Step out as a family, step out as friends. Come together. Buy lot. Buy lot 8, ladies and gentlemen. So you're gonna step out and get this one, all right?